Alright guys, it's been a while trying to get this going again. Little tips on strumming today. Little secrets, alright? So kind of a bit of a beginner's sort of strumming lesson. Maybe you've learnt a few chords but you're struggling to change between them, which is obviously important, okay? So here we go. Look, I'm going to show you something here, then I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. Alright, so to get that change a little bit smoother and hopefully a bit easier, a cool thing you can do, which isn't cheating because lots of people do it, and in fact it sounds good. When you're changing, so here I'm doing a quite a common strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up. Alright, on that last up before you change, you can play open strings like this. Look at this, look. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So on that last up, down, down, up, down, up, that last one, you're already changing the chord, okay? And you're playing open strings on the chord change, but that's fine, sounds great. Down, down, up, down, change, down, down, up, down, change, down, down, up, down, change, down, down, up, down, up. So it gives you an extra half a second or whatever it is to change. Instead of going like this, look, down, down, up, down, down, really quick there, up, down. So instead of having to change really quickly, you're just giving yourself a bit of extra time, you know? Try that, practice that. It will change your guitar playing. Thank you.